Alright, it's 7 a.m. here at BSL, and this is Sir David.
Good morning.
Who has been doing a lot of work to help us get ready for this trip.
What you like to do, because if you don't feel passion in what you're doing, very soon you will be boring. And if you have this passion for yourself, you will be also successful, because other people will recognize this passion, because you go this extra mile. You're not going this because you get paid. And if you feel this passion for yourself, then it's easy to be successful in your job. If you're always looking like this, you only can choose from what you can see. If you're looking like this, your choice is much wider. So.
It was very interesting to see the level of automation at the plant.
It was a really amazing experience which we could never have in the classroom, and the amount that we saw there, I gained a lot from it.
It's a great experience to connect what we learned at school and see it in real life.
Well, in BSL we studied about the future, but today we saw the future.
Yeah, it was very interesting today to see how what we're learning in class is actually applied in the real world.
I was really surprised by how big the factory actually is and all it takes to do one truck.